Okay, welcome to Bulk Listing Pro. This is a Chrome extension for Etsy. It works directly in Etsy. First thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the Chrome store. I'm going to type it in here. Chrome store. So Bulk Listing Pro is an extension that works directly in Etsy, and it assists using AI and other tools, automated tools, to upload your listings automatically, and also to use AI to create listings. And get this, you can actually copy other listings from other stores, even off platform. So first thing you're going to do is go to your Chrome store and type in Bulk Listing Pro. You can do that. It's going to show up here, Bulk Listing Pro. You can also just type in Etsy bulk uploading, Etsy bulk upload, and that'll get you here too as well. This is a free extension. Right here you'll see the download button. You go ahead and click on that. It's going to show up at the top here near your puzzle piece. It's a big orange bee. If it's not there, you'll see it. If you hit the puzzle piece, you'll see it in this list here, and I usually hit this pin so that it'll show up in this list here. So easy peasy, head over to Etsy and click on the big orange bee. It's going to open up. If you're not on Etsy, let's say you're on a different website, I close it and then open it back up. It's going to tell you here you're not on Etsy, and no big deal. You can just go ahead and switch over to Etsy, and it'll turn green here. There's also a login as well. Obviously that's just to keep track of your credits. So the first thing you're going to notice here on the top right is a credit balance. Yours should say 5. You're going to get 5 free 5 or 10 free credits, and that's going to give you some free uploads just so you can check out the extension. Let's see, next thing you're going to see, of course, is your email or whatever you have attached to your Gmail that you use to sign in. You have 3 tabs here. You have an upload tab, a research tab, and an account tab. And your account tab is going to, again, show you your email, your credit balance, and roughly how many listings you can get out of those. And I believe it's 2 credits. Credits is like 4 cents. 2 credits. So you can go ahead and do that. You'll see your referral code. If you want to recommend this to somebody, just hand them that referral code and you'll get 10 free credits there. Also have an affiliate program. You can sign up for that, and what that does is it's basically the same thing as a referral code, but any purchases that whoever you refer this extension to, you'll get 10%, right? So if you want to buy, you'll see this purchase credit screen will pop up, and they're really cheap. $2 for about 25 listings, $5 for 75, and so for our power users, we have 200 and 500, and we give you a little bit of a discount here. So if someone were to come in and purchase a pro pack and you gave them your affiliate code, this is $12, you get $6. Not bad. It would go straight to your account through Stripe. We use Stripe here, so pretty good. This is just an overview of Bulk Listing Pro. So Bulk Listing Pro initially started as a listing automated service, right? So bulk listing, you come in here, you can create a listing down here at the bottom, and you want to type a title. Let's say it's something that you work on. I work on hats. I make hats. So we're going to make a straw hat, right? It's not a digital print. Let's see. Most of this is digital prints that it's compatible with, only because of the options. So I'll say straw hat, how to guide. So we'll make it a how-to guide, right? There's we go. Guides and how-tos. What is this? How to make straw hats from scratch. All right. And you're going to sell it for $3.99. What tags we have? You're going to have hat, comma, you're going to have straw hat, maybe. Oops. And so on. Right? Then you're gonna go ahead and browse for your straw hat stuff. I'm a tinfoil hat man myself. I'm just gonna pick some random stuff here. And of course your digital document which tells people how to, I'm just going to pick a random CSV here. Right. So that's great. We're going to add it to queue. Before we do that, let's say this is not so great. I know a lot of you are thinking, this isn't such a great listing, how to make straw hats from scratch. I wouldn't do that. I would use some SEO or something like that. Well, we have this generate full listing for 2 credits here, and it's going to go through what you entered, and it's going to basically optimize your listing for you. It's going to look through and give you better recommendations for your title. You can see that here, straw hat how to, do it yourself hat making instructions. We've got the category and then a description. This description has been optimized. Learn the art of crafting beautiful straw hats from scratch with this comprehensive how-to guide. So it's pretty good. Goes through this very, very well. Gives you gives you tags as well. There are your images, and I'm going to add this to queue. Right, so it's been added to queue down here at the bottom, and here at the save as, I can save it as a draft, so whenever it goes through the queue, it'll go through as a draft, or I can publish instantly. I don't want to do that. I'm going to save it to draft, and then I'm going to click the start upload. Again, super cheap. We're using credits here, and you're going to see that it's going to automatically enter all of the fields that you would need for a basic Etsy listing. And you know, if you're doing this all day, you're probably very familiar with just, you know, cramping and going through all the different things. It's asking me to upload some more in a different format, right? But it didn't break it, which is awesome. So I had an image that was not compatible. That's okay. We powered straight through that, and we're popping in the tags. Again, this is for users who have multiple listings. A lot of details. It's gonna pop this in here. You can go and grab a drink. I can go to my drafts, and I will see what I put in here. We've got a daily planner, printables, minimalist. Trying to see where, there it is. Straw hat how to. So there we go. Popped in there, ready for you to review and submit. So pretty easy, pretty fun. Let's say you have more than one. What if I have 100, Mr. Bulk Listing Pro Guy? Go ahead and open up the listing editor here, and you will actually get 2 options. That we have a form that you can upload and fill out, and you can do that as many times by clicking the add another listing button at the bottom, or if you'd like, you can click this download spreadsheet template. And it's going to download that, and then it's going to open up a different template for you to either open up in Google Sheets, or you can open it up here. So I clicked on that, and I'm going to go down to our template, turn that on, and what it does is it uploads it, and it auto populates that listing in our form view. So right now we're in form view. Here's grid view, and the grid view is just your template. Kind of like in an Excel format, and you can see, okay, I have the title, the description, price, category, and so on. So you'll be able to upload multitude of listings, make sure everything is correct, and not break your fingers off. So again, this is a good tool for shop uploaders shop owners who have a multitude of listings, and maybe they upload 100 at a time. Makes it a lot easier. You can go through those as well. Another feature that we have with Bulk Listings Pro is our AI features. So let's say our title, I don't know, maybe it's not so great. I can click on the AI feature. I'm just gonna do this. I'm gonna delete this so that you can see and kind of demonstrate. And I'm gonna say, well, make me a better title. I'm not very good at this whole marketing stuff. Just do it for me. I'm going to click the AI button here. It's going to send this back and give you 3 different options. And based on what you have inside of your listing, so I have a description, and I also have images and tags. It's going to use all these tools and hints to say, okay, you have this product. Let's give you one of these. So I've got an undated daily planner template. I've got good notes planner. I've got a 2026 daily planner printable. All of these are great. I'm going to click on that. It's going to auto populate. and then I'll be ready to go. You can do the same thing in the descriptions field, also with your tags. So let's say you ran out of ideas and what kind of tags can I use. I can click on the AI button here and it's going to do the exact same thing. It's going to listen to your description, your title. It's going to look at your items and recommend what type of tags that you have here. Pretty awesome little tool you got. Once you're done, you can click on the box here, whichever ones you want to send to the queue. And I'm going to click down here and say add or send to queue. And there you go, they populated here. And I would do the exact same thing. I'll click start upload. It's going to go to Etsy and upload those as well. So head over to the Chrome store. Again, this is a free app. Works very well. It works directly in Etsy. And check it out. I'm positive you'll enjoy it. Thanks again for listening. This is Bulk Listings Pro. My name is Mike Smith.